Well, as you can see, I got the skid steer, and it's definitely got a different look to it that I'm used to. I'm used to running Bobcats, but this one does all right. I just got it yesterday. It's a 64 horsepower, and it does all right. I mean, it's going to do all right. Most of what I'll be doing is, you know, moving stuff from one place to the other, that kind of thing. I'm not really too worried about it right now because it's freaking cold out here, and probably won't be doing too much with this ground being as hard as it is, doing any kind of dirt work or clearing out or anything like that. It's just not good enough for that right now, the weather, that is. We ended up getting snow the other day, and then we got a couple days in the 50s, and it made it a muddy mess, and trying to get this thing backed up into the shed was like a pig in slop. I mean, it was just all over the place, but I finally got it. Anyway, I'm happy to have it. It's going to help me get outdoors more to do my work, and just got to take care of it, buy a couple more attachments, and I think I'll be done. You know, a digging bucket and a grapple bucket, that's what I'm wanting to have. This thing, it was like, I don't know, 10 degrees this morning. I went down there, cranked that thing over, and it turned over twice and started. So I know it can start in the cold weather. That's good. I didn't have to buy a battery for it. But it's a used unit. It's SSV 65. As you can see, it was taken care of. I mean, the seat's not all ripped up like a lot of them. The inside's real clean. The heater works really well. I haven't tried the AC yet, but we'll see about that later on, and you know, in a few months. But I'm happy. You know, outdoors is where the fun begins, and this is going to help it be a lot more fun. And I'll see you on the next one. I'm really not, it's not too shabby. Take care.